Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our first module of mathematical methods in physics. Dear students, this course is so comprehensive that I have started this course of mathematical methods in physics from a new YouTube channel. Okay? As you know, my actual YouTube channel is under the name or title Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. But this newly created YouTube channel is under the name or title Physics with Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. Okay? So from this channel, I shall only cover this course, which is mathematical methods in physics. This course is so comprehensive that all other major courses of BS Physics remain on one side, and this alone, single course, becomes equally important in comparison with remaining all other courses of physics, BS Physics. Okay? So this is the first module of this course, mathematical methods in physics, and in this module we will split our proposed modules. Okay, so primarily we have reserved 600 modules for this course, that is mathematical methods in physics. Dear students, actually this course relates to 6 different topics which are taught as separate courses when we are studying BS mathematics. Okay, these 6 topics are: number 1, vectors and tensor analysis; number 2, complex analysis; number 3, linear algebra; number 4, abstract algebra, also called as group theory. Next, 5th part is ordinary differential equation, and the last part is partial differential equation and integral equation. So keeping in view these 6 parts, we have primarily assumed 600 modules of this course, mathematical methods in physics. Okay? So first 100 modules have been reserved for vectors and tensor analysis. Second 100 modules are reserved for complex analysis. Third 100 modules are reserved for linear algebra. Next 100 modules are reserved for abstract algebra or group theory. Next 100 modules are reserved for ordinary differential equation. And the last 100 modules, that is from module number 501 to 600, have been reserved for partial differential equation and integral equation. Now we move on to next slide. Dear students, there are 3 ways to handle or tackle this course. Okay? Books recommended for first approach. Dear students, in this first approach, we are considering all books which are under the title Mathematical Methods for Physicists, or Mathematical Methods in Physics, or Mathematical Methods for Physicists and Scientists and Engineers, etc. Okay. So, dear students, in this list of 9 books, all books are under the title Mathematical Methods for Physicists. Okay. We can take any one of these books and almost all of our contents will be covered by any of these 9 books. Okay. These 9 books have same title, Mathematical Methods for Physicists, only their writers are different. Okay. First writer is Orphan and Weber. Second writer is Tai L. Chow. Third writer is Riley M. F. M. P. Hobson and S. J. Benz. Fourth writer is Collins R. E. Fifth writer is Tang K. T. Sixth writer is Zaffaroni. Next writer is S. Hasani Sadri. Okay. Next writer is Denry Flippy. And the last writer is Butkov. Okay. So all these 9 books are under the title Mathematical Methods for Physicists, and almost all contents of our course are contained in every book, and we will follow one or more of these books for our course. Okay. This is the first approach. Now we come towards the second approach. This is second approach. Dear students, in this second approach, all books are under the title Advanced Engineering Mathematics. Okay. These are 9 books. If we follow any one of these 9 books, almost all of our contents are covered. Okay. So we will adopt one or more of these 9 books to cover this course. Okay. All these 9 books are under the title Advanced Engineering Mathematics. Only their writers' names are different. Okay. These writers' names are Dennis G. Zill, number 1. Number 2, Erwin Kreyszig. Number 3, Michael Greenberg. Number 4, Peter V. O'Neill. Number 5, Glyn James. Number 6, K.A. Stroud. Number 8, Alan Jeffrey. And number 9, Spiegel M.R. Okay. This is Sham series book. This was second approach. Now we come towards third approach. Third approach, dear students, in this third approach, we are not taking into consideration mathematical methods for physicists or advanced engineering mathematics. Here, we are taking into consideration subject-wise books, as these books are taught to students of BS Mathematics. Dear students, it is important to point out here that I have remained a student of BS Mathematics 4 times. Okay? This is very important. During my life, I have remained a failed student of BS Mathematics 4 times. 3 times I have remained a student of MSc Mathematics distance learning through Government College, University Faisalabad, and once as a student of MSc Mathematics through Virtual University. So I have enough understanding of this subject named mathematical methods in physics. So dear students, in this third approach, in this first slide, there are 8 books, and all these 8 books are related to vectors and tensor analysis. Okay, only writers names are different. Okay, these writers names are H. Jeffrey, F. Carlton, M. R. Spiegel, Bourne, Kendall, Smith, G. D. G. E. Hay, D. C. K, E. C. Young. Okay, all these 9 books are related to vectors and tensor analysis, and we will follow one or more of these 8 books to cover our contents. Okay, in next slide, 12 books have been mentioned, and all these 12 books are related to this course complex analysis. Okay, dear students, while studying complex analysis, we also have to simultaneously study real analysis. Okay, because without real analysis we cannot truly understand complex analysis. So all these 12 books are related to complex analysis, only their writers names are different, and I mention those writers names. Okay, first book is of Dennis G. Zill and Patrick D. Shanahan. Okay, second book is of James Brown and Ruel Churchill. Okay, number third book is L. Pennisi, Gordon and S. Lasher. Fourth book is R. A. Silverman. Fifth book is J. Palliorus. Sixth book is R. H. Chillingworth. Seventh book is L. V. L. Fords. Eighth book is K. Kodaira. Ninth book is S. Lang. 10th book is H.S. Kasana, 11th book is M.R. Spiegel, and 12th book is J.E. Marsden. Okay, all these 12 books are related to complex analysis, only their writers are different. Dear students, in the next slide, 11 books are mentioned, and all these 11 books are related to algebra, that is linear algebra as well as abstract algebra. And we know that abstract algebra is also called group theory. Okay, all these 11 books are related to algebra, linear algebra and abstract algebra. Only their writers' names are different, and I mention these writers' name here one by one. Okay, I. D. MacDonald, I. N. Herstein, J. P. Frale, M. Hammermash, J. Rose, B. Burkhoff, Humphreys, P. M. Cohn, R. Rotman, H. Marshall, J. A. Galien, Joseph Galien. Okay, this 11th book is very important regarding abstract algebra or group theory. Okay, now we move on to next slide. Dear students, in this slide, remaining list of books, those books are given, that is linear algebra and abstract algebra. Okay, so actually the list of linear algebra and abstract algebra consists of 23 books, out of which 11 books have been enumerated in the previous slide, and remaining 12 books are shown in this current slide. Okay, So here the writer's name are D. Burton, P. B. Bhattacharya, A. M. Tropper, S. Lang, K. R. Hoffman, P. R. Helmus, J. T. Schleck, J. T. Sheikh. This is repeated. Okay, no problem. 18 and 19 number is mistakenly repeated. Okay, 20 number book is Simon Lipskitz. 21 number book is Howard Anton. 22nd book is Bernard Coleman and David R. Hill. And 23rd book is David C. Lay, Stephen R. Lay, Judy J. M. C. McDonald. Okay, Judy J. McDonald. These 23 books are related to linear algebra and abstract algebra. Now we move on to next slide, and this is the last slide of our first module. In this slide, 10 books are enumerated, and all these books are related to differential equation. Okay, that is ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation, and integral equation. Okay, so here we will enumerate writer's name only. Okay, so first writer is Dennis G. Zill. Second writer is William E. Boyce, Richard C. Di Prima. Third writer is I. Stack Gold. Number fourth writer is H. Sagan. Fifth writer is R. P. Kamal. Sixth writer is Jaime M. and Millerel. Okay. Seventh writer is I. N. Shedden. Eighth writer is R. Denham. Okay. Ninth writer is D. L. Powers. 10th writer is R. Danimeyer. This is again repeated. Okay, 8 and 10 serial number is mistakenly repeated, and this is not a major issue. Okay, so this is the end of our first module. It is not necessary that we will follow sequence. Okay, after first module, that is module number MMP underscore 001, we may upload module number MMP 301 or MMP underscore 401. Okay, so this is our choice. We are not bound to follow the sequence. Okay, we can start any topic about which relatively easy study material is found. Okay, so this is the end of this module. Okay, Allah Hafiz.